very special guest. It's the Overtones. The show. Are you enjoying the show so far?
Yeah, great time.
Excellent. Nice
Fantastic.
one.
Now, Mike.
Yes.
When you were on your way to the dressing room earlier,
Yeah.
Sam and I, we gave you a little bit of a scare, didn't we?
You did. It's completely unexpected.
Really? Audience, do you want to see what we're talking about? Yeah! Well, BT.
Pop down on this chair here. If you just sign that there. Now, I don't think you've seen the series before. It's Friday Wind Up. It's Series 3.
Yeah.
Oh, God!
Sorry, Mike. I'm sorry.
That is so good. That is amazing. Now, guys, you spend a lot of time touring together. Do you ever wind each other up?
Actually, it's our team that wind us up.
Oh, really? Really?
Yeah, they sometimes, like, put stuff in our shoes or hide our jackets, and there's all mayhem going on side stage.
Putting stuff in your shoes, though, that's not cool.
It's
Harsh,
not
man.
cool.
Especially when you're singers. You're like,
Yeah.
ah!
I think it probably helps you hit the high note.
Now, guys, your genre of music is actually known as doo-wop music.
Yes.
What does that actually mean for anyone who doesn't know?
Doo-wop, it actually comes from the 40s and 50s, and it was basically a time when a lot of people didn't have the money to buy instruments and things, so doo-wop was the sound that people used to make, groups like us used to make, to create the instruments in their group. It's basically a vintage style of music.
Doo-wop.
There you go.
Doo-wop.
No, that's quite bassy, but Darren, you do the falsetto bit.
Yeah, on the macho one.
How do you get your voice so high? That's
Get someone to kick me.
We kick it.
Put something in your shoes.
Something in your shoes.
So how do you do it? What's the technique that you do?
I don't know how you describe how you use the falsetto.
Now go on, tell them it's called falsetto, but when you were a teenager, you went to the singing teacher and you said...
I want to learn how to do a stiletto.
That's a whole different type of singing.
He looked at me and just laughed in my face, so that was good.
It's very tall singing.
I want a stiletto. He was like, oh, here.
Now, you guys, when you sing together, your harmonies are absolutely amazing. We've heard these guys backstage earlier on today, and they sound absolutely beautiful together. Mark is genuinely, actually, he's pretty good at harmonies.
Big too much.
I'm sorry, mate. I'm terrible at them. Could you teach us? How do you actually do it?
Well, should we sing a little ditty?
Yeah!
Please sing a little ditty and feel free to join in.
Oh, lovely, yeah,
But please join in on tune harmony.
Oh, yeah, that's true, yeah.
Here we go. Should we
Come on,
let's
stand up. Oh, this is exciting, isn't it?
So we're going to sing you a little mashup, which is Saturday Night of the Movies into Pretty Woman, so... Join in.
Well, Saturday night at the movies. Who cares what picture you see?
Oh, when you're hugging me, baby, the last roll of agony.
Oh, pretty woman, walking down the street. Pretty woman, the kind I'd like to be. Pretty woman, I don't believe you. You're not the truth. No one can look as good as you. Oh, pretty woman.
So basically, you've learned now, right? We've taught you really well, yeah?
I know, I'm going to say, I didn't want to ruin that. I looked like I was singing it. I was clapping.
You were like a cheerleader. Oh, yeah. So are you like best mates now, then? Yeah, you've been together.
We're like brothers, you know. So we
amazing.
have little squabbles, but we're great friends, and we enjoy each other's company. So that's always a bonus.
Who was the painter and decorator?
That was awful.
Yeah, we all chipped in to do it. Me and Mike had the initial idea to set up a business just so that we can work together and find time to rehearse, basically. And that's kind of how we got our lucky break, getting spotted singing on the street in a tea break.
That's so cool.
True story, yeah.
Darren, what's your favourite shade of paint? Mine's Tuscan terracotta.
Oh, magnolia.
Oh, really? I just did my downstairs kitchen. Downstairs kitchen? I don't have an upstairs kitchen. How big is your... That makes me sound like I've got a really massive house. I just did my kitchen in magnolia. It looks lovely. It's a very warm colour. 3 coats Nixon, that's what they call me.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Are we
Sorry, yeah,
carry on with the painting? I've got an interesting question, an important question. You're all very handsome.
Very handsome.
I'm not going to... They're
Sorry,
handsome
I'm
guys, aren't
taking
they?
it. I'm taking it.
No, but I want to know who you think is the most handsome in the band.
Oh, interesting.
I think it has to be the one with the hair and cheekbones over there.
Like, you do look like you've been carved out of stone.
You look like an Action Man figure.
Do you know what? I get a lot of stick about my hair.
I love your hair.
No, don't touch it. But yeah, you know, that's fair enough. I deserve it a lot of the time.
It's truly beautiful.
It is.
Don't touch it.
You've been touching his hair. Well, guys, you've been absolutely fantastic. You're up for the Overtones.
Thank you very much.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
OK, in just a few moments, we'll see what happened when Lawson wound up some of their biggest fans.
But before that, take a look at what we did to our studio audience before the show. What are we like?
Get off.
These people have been told to fill out a